Capture amazing footage like this from your Uniden iGo Smart Dashcam. Video awesome tracks on those rock steps that almost stopped you, or the bog hole you conquered in full HD, 2K, 2.7K and even up to 4K in some models. Why spend more on an action camera when these can film everything you drive and capture important info in an accident too? These are perfect for four-wheel drivers. Film awesome campsites and mark their GPS coordinates to share with your mates or to go back and visit yourself. With the GPS antenna inside the mount, enabling you to geotag your video, record direction travelling, location and speed. You can have the GPS coordinates appear beside any of the footage you capture, so you know exactly where all the best spots were for next time. You can also use the smartphone app through Wi-Fi to download what's on the SD card straight to your phone, so you can show your mates tough tracks you've driven or download important accident information. They mount strongly to your screen to stop any vibration with a sticker mount ensuring stability. Just look at how clear the footage is. With superb video quality and ultra-wide 150-degree view, you'll capture everything in front of you, and some models come with a dual camera enabling you to also view what's happening behind you, live or as a reversing camera. You'll wonder how you ever lived without one of these.